Goes down for out number 2 in the top half. Max Muncy is in with 2 away now as he looks at a called strike 1. And it's fouled away. And he fouls this one off. No score here as we play inning number 2. Grounder down the line at third. And this will stay inside the third base bag. A fair ball. And he'll coast into second here with a 2-out double. And he's in there at third with a 2-out triple.
Well, that's their first hit of the ball game, and they make it count as he blisters this thing to the outfield and cruises into third for the triple. We'll see if his teammate can pick him up so they can get their first run, too.
There's a swing and a ball hit in the air, and a ball that he got every stitch of as that one, without a doubt,